My good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your side with another legit intel. I don't come your side with another breaking news, with another update where I want share give the general public. The koko be say, country people now dey for inside social media don dey backfire. We follow countryman wey dey go by the name Bayo Onanuga. He na the presidential spokesperson. Countrymen now dey backfire this man sake of say him come outside come dey yarn dey give the general public. Say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is deeply aware of the economic hardship wey dey savage the country. He say our president dey aware of the premium shege wey country people dey receive on a daily basis. He say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey aware of the suffer promax wey dis im policy e don plaster for the lives of country people. So as the presidential spokesperson wey be Bayo Onanuga come yarn all this level finish, country people kuku para the more dem come transfer the aggression put for this man body. Now for those of my fellow Nigerians wey no know wetin dey happen, calm down make I yarn you legit. Make I sharply give you the genesis, make I yarn you how the level e take start. You know say based on the hardship wey dey for inside we country Nigeria, based on how things don choke for country people, countrymen now come see am say this our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, this name T-Pain e fit am well well because e don give country people pain a lot for inside we country Nigeria. As the nickname T-Pain wey country people give our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don small dey go viral, na the presidential spokesperson wey dey go by the name Bayo Onanuga come outside for tori people their channel. He come dey dismiss the social media nickname. He come dey yarn dey give the general public say make dem comot body from that name wey be T-Pain wey dey give our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu because the name is very much mischievous. He come dey yarn say our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu say im mind dey for country people o. He dey very much committed to turning the economic fortunes of we green white green country wey be Nigeria around o. Say this man come to do nice things for the general public and him dey feel the pain of country people, but him dey assure us say relief is on the horizon. Say last they don dey see light at the end of the tunnel. Say make we just do the calms. Say before you know wetin go happen, everywhere go stew for inside we country Nigeria and everybody go come dey jollof. Now wey some countrymen now don resort to dey call our president T-Pain out of mischief, say e no make sense. Make dem no call am T-Pain because our president e no be T-Pain. Say our president come to heal, not to hurt the general public. No be small matter like this o my good people. You know say after the presidential spokesperson wey be Bayo Onanuga yarn all this level finish, countrymen kukuma enter social media. They just carry their anger enter the social media platform wey be X and the social media platform wey be Facebook. They begin dey yarn things and things. They say if to say e get another word wey worst pass T-Pain, therefore adopt am, therefore call our president. They just call am that T-Pain because e be as if that name e just fit our president and e no get another name wey harsh pass T-Pain. So make our president just accept that name with him full chest because the name e fit am well well. No be small matter like this o my good people. For inside Facebook, one countryman come dey yarn o say he no dey envy Oga Bayo Onanuga o because he know very well say the man just dey do the job wey they dey pay am for. He say for person now to dey defend the policies of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, these same policies wey don bring upon hardship, wey don bring pain and loss of employment to the general public, no be easy job o, no be small thing to do at all. But however, to dey tell country people lie over and over again, e cannot make country people believe say na truth wey im dey talk. That is to say, two wrong cannot make a right. He come dey yarn say we wey be the general public, we wey be the country people, na we wear the shoe and na we know where the shoe dey pepper us pass. So Oga Bayo Onanuga just dey yarn all those level because na im job to support our president no matter the matter. But if he no get idea of wetin dey happen, make country people tell am the truth. The real truth be say country people dey suffer. Then another countryman come dey yarn o say very much correct o, our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey feel the pain of country people for inside a newly purchased presidential jet and a newly purchased Escalade SUV. While another countryman come dey yarn o say im dey think say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and im associates they are out of touch with reality. They no true know wetin dey happen. And if for instance now we come dey assume say we understand very well say all this pain wey we dey go through na for the best, when the best go take show im face, how are we even sure say last the best go happen for inside we country Nigeria? How the best wan take happen for inside we country What exactly is the benefit of country people in the long run? These are the questions wey one countryman come dey yarn based on all this level, while another one come dey talk say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey feel pain of country people, na him come dey go on vacation. Person wey dey feel pain dey go on vacation, dey go enjoy life abroad, when the country wey him dey govern just dey suffer on a daily basis. So those kind level e no make sense. Then another countryman come dey yarn say it is very much unfortunate say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu just dey rubbish im reputation with this evil IMF policy, and im dey drag along other respected democracy activists like Bayo Onanuga wey don fight for dictatorship to a standstill. Im don make ogbonge men now begin dey be like less for we country Nigeria, and that is a very shameful thing. He say this nickname now wey dem give our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu wey be T-Pain, so e make sense well well. T stands for Tinubu and Pain stands for the things wey country people dey go through for inside we country Nigeria. Now sharparly my good people, make I yarn you legit. Make I tell you how this T-Pain of a name e take come about. For inside the month of October for inside this year 2024, the former vice president wey be Atiku Abubakar, he come dey criticize the things and things wey our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey do. He come dey criticize how our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu take dey handle the fuel subsidy crisis for inside the country Nigeria. From there now he come name our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu T-Pain, sake of say our president don bring about pain and hardship to the general public. So like this now, out of frustration sake of the rising cost of living and the things and things wey don go wrong under the administration of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, country people kukuma adopt the name. From there the social media nickname wey be T-Pain come small dey go viral, and as the name dey go viral, now why the presidential spokesperson wey be Bayo Onanuga come outside dey yarn say make country people no call our president that name because e no make sense, say the name is very much mischievous. But no be lie my good people, before we begin to criticize these reforms by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, make we take style look into the future. Make we take style look where this policy go last lead us, and make we by ourselves judge if the patience, if the hardship na necessary sacrifice. If you never do that level, then you no get right to dey criticize the reforms of our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This my good people na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside the country Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And they come your side again with another legit intel for you my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.